Hi, it's Josh here at Jordanbikes in Leeds, and we've got this 2017 GSXR1000 that we've done a full ECU remap on. It's got a race fit pipe, it was running really rough before, and we've also set up his quickshifter that he had fitted. So I'm about to do the final run now, and we'll see what we've achieved. Right, so when I first started mapping, the bike were at 107.8. Now, with a full custom map through a power commander, it's now got 113.5. So it was running really rough before, really rich all over the place. So we've sorted that out. Flattened a couple of flat spots that we've managed to iron out. So yeah, should be a lot better for him. So if you want to know what I was doing, please give us a call. Right, so when I started we had 171.3 brake horsepower, that's at the rear wheel. We've now got 182.6, so a gain of over 11 brake horsepower. We've got a gain of 6 foot-pound of torque. It's gained it all the way through. It's a lot smoother now, mid-range, top end, a lot less snatchy. It's fueled right, it was fueling really off before. So yeah, we've got, also if you heard on the video, we've set up his quickshifter and his auto blitz, so it's now got flat changes up and down. So yeah, it should be a lot better for the customer. So if you want yours doing, please give us a call.